What's up, Prop Mob? Eduardo Talbert here. This is Monster Tutorials. Today, we are announcing the winners of the Pool Noodle Challenge. So, hope you guys had an awesome Halloween and Movember, right? It's going good, but this video is about announcing the winners. So we're going to do three things, I think, maybe four, I'm not sure. First, I'm going to tell you about the sponsors that very generously donated prizes for this challenge. And after that, I will show you the prizes that they donated. I have a couple samples here, so you can see that. And after that, we will announce the winners. And if you stay till the end, I have a really cool announcement. So let's get started. The first sponsor is Scareit Badges. If you haven't heard of them, they're a company that makes badges or like embroidered patches for the haunt industry mostly. And what they do is they have different types of badges depending on the function that you play in either a haunted attraction or even at your house. The cool thing is that they have so many badges that you'll find the right one for you or the people that work with you or for your family member. We have like costume crew and build crew, haunt master. There are a ton and they're like super cool looking, right? Scare actor, sweet. They also have badges that are round, and they sent me one a long time ago, which I really like because it's the Media Mogul. Let me show you a close-up. They sent it to me and I loved the concept. And the thing that we've been working on, which is really cool, is kind of like a collaboration between Monster Tutorials and Scareit Badges, where you'll be able to get some Scareit Badges with some Monster Tutorials related designs or badges, if you will. The design will stay the same, but there'll be things like Prop Mobster or Prop Mob, some other cool things. The next sponsor, which I'm very proud to be part of, is Agoraphobia Propworks, link below, which is a collaboration to make props, custom props mostly, like this mask right here that is under construction, and this one that is super creepy, and any kind of props. Everything that is made on this channel will be available there. But the company has donated the prizes, 4 prizes for the first place and second place of each category. And the last sponsor, which some of you may be familiar with, is Gothic.com. They have been my exclusive supplier of jewelry for the last few years, or maybe even several years. I don't remember, but it's been a long time, and that's what you see me wear. And they have donated some stuff for you guys, for the winners. They also started making some really cool apparel and a bunch of other stuff. There's masks and stuff, but I always liked was their jewelry because it's the kind of stuff that I like. And they have jewelry for every single theme. Let me show you what's in here. They sent us this. They sent it to us, and they have stuff for every occasion. From Scareit Badges, first place, second place of each category. There were 2 categories, best overall and the most creative, right? The most creative is the most imaginative, regardless of the execution. And the other one was just, the overall best. In other words, of all those, which one the judges liked the most. Each one of the winners of each category, first and second place, will be getting a free badge from Scareit Badges. That's super cool, and you get to pick whichever one you want, so you can start your collection right away. Agoraphobia has donated masks, specifically latex masks. These are handmade at Agoraphobia Propworks, and the winner and the second place each will get a raw mask like this that they'll be able to paint whichever way they want. And if you go to the website, we have them raw and we have them painted and ready to go. Also, we can paint it to your liking. So a mask for each of the winners, and from Gothic.com, the first and second place in both categories will get a gift certificate or a gift card for $30. But wait 1 second, because I'm going to tell you something I found out today. I went to the website to find some pictures to show you guys, and noticed that they were having the Thanksgiving sale. And I noticed that it was a huge sale, and it's a pre-Thanksgiving or pre-Black Friday sale. So go check them out. They're so dumb, but let's see those prices. Let's start with the masks. Very cool, huh? And now, so dumb, and now look at the rings. Wow. Okay, there we go. So you can see Steven Spielberg has nothing on me. So let's continue with the show. Now, the time that you've been waiting for. We are going to announce the winners of the challenge. In second place in the most creative category is Candle Holder of the Dead. This guy. Congratulations. We will be sending you instructions on how to collect your prize. And the most creative was this guy, Sila. I love that prop. I love how it looks like a, I don't know, like a sea serpent with a cat face. I know, it's really cool. If you look at it up close, there's all kinds of cool detail in it. For the overall category, in second place was Krusty the Zombie Clown. And I love this because this artist went ahead and made the whole body. And if you look at all the detail, it's amazing. Like, a lot of attention and time was put into this. I saw when this thing was just some pool noodle, and they didn't have pool noodles because this artist is in the UK. So I think she went to the hardware store to get some pipe insulation and built it out of that. And the favorite for overall, with the most votes and with lots of comments that people have mentioned, especially because of what this prop is holding, and I don't know, let me know in the comments if you see a similarity with anybody you know, is called Stingy Jack, or is it Stingy? Anyway, this guy. Those are the winners. So congratulations, you guys are awesome. Thank you to the sponsors. Let me tell you what's coming up, because you don't want to miss this, and it's challenge related. But I also wanted to thank first my patrons. They make all this thing happen. I wanted to thank you guys for watching. This also happens because of you, because of your support. Thank you, everybody. Now, for the announcement, get ready for a holiday, for a holiday themed challenge that I think you are going to absolutely love. So I will be announcing that, I think, Thanksgiving. We'll see if I announce it Thanksgiving, so stay tuned. I might do it live, or I might just record something, but I will definitely let you know. And stay tuned by either joining our Discord below, or following my Instagram, the Facebook page, the Facebook group. There's many ways to stay kind of in touch. The best one is my email list, which will be below, or the Discord, because right there you can pick if you want to hear what's going on or not. Whereas in Facebook, Instagram, and some of the other social media platforms, they decide what they want to show you, and they might not show you the challenge or the post where we announce it. So go check it out. I think you're gonna like this challenge, and thank you, everybody. You guys are awesome. I'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of this fun. I have a bunch of projects for the holidays, for Christmas, and beyond. Like, a lot. Like, it's going to go crazy. So I'll see you then. Bye.